Hey guys, so March what is today's date? The 22nd, something like that. Don't remember, sorry. 2025. So I'm looking, guys, as many of you guys are children's advocates as well. I'm looking for a review on Dave Ramsay course, guys. I'm looking for a course. I think he has an affiliate program as well, on a financial literacy course, teaching kids about budgeting, finance, investing. So do any of you guys have, or do I go to ClickBank? For any of you affiliate marketers, you might know what I'm talking about. ClickBank, do they offer then that a program that, again, I'd like to probably have two different ones, one for elementary school children and one for high school kids, because obviously two different ages, right? So do you guys have any reviews on, maybe some of you guys have bought the Dave Ramsay course, maybe or if you guys have another one. I want something kind of coming from people of just people of character, though, because what happens is once you buy a program, sometimes some of the parents and teachers want to kind of explore and you don't know more about the person, or sometimes a course can lead you to a website. So obviously I want to be able to that if children or parents again are doing the program and then stumbles onto the person's website or YouTube channel, that again it could be a person of character, that our children can that we're not at all concerned about, oh, what if they heard, what if you stumble on like I know another guy right now that I think he does an excellent job at investing in stock market and all that stuff that show, but I've went onto his YouTube channel and I've seen some of his videos where he's swearing and cursing and stuff. So I need something that is also, that again, if our children or parents buy it and they stumble on to look into the websites or further material or YouTube channel, they don't come across swearing and all that stuff. All right, so I'll wait to hear you all reviews, guys. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube as a short, so kindly respond to me in the comments. Oh, and for those of you guys haven't yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, I have some stuff there that is a very pro-parent family, but nowadays I think I'm gonna create a lot more on the how to make money, how to budget, how to teach kids financial literacy, because I think that's really much needed, as well as the health part, the spiritual part. So the financial part too is well needed as well. So I'll stop the video for now. Take care.